The Matrix Math program was designed with one purpose: to help students excel in mathematics. Our team meticulously collected, analyzed, and curated questions from all sources to develop a comprehensive system targeting the core heuristic concepts commonly tested by schools. A system that we are confident will help every child achieve the best results. Our students will learn the basic building blocks of heuristic problem sums, how to approach, identify, and solve them using the most efficient method. Learn, revise, and remember. Our program emphasizes our fundamental belief: learning through understanding, excelling through practice. Focusing on consistent reinforcement of concepts learned, as well as providing the most efficient self-revision system. With an excellent program, passionate teachers, and a strict limit of 6 students per class, we are committed to fostering an effective learning environment for our students to thrive. We have a unique matrix pedagogy, a system that integrates learning across topics, concepts, and methodologies. A system that has been tested and proven to deliver results. Matrix Math, the only integrated program for learning heuristic problem-solving skills. Experience the Matrix method. Contact us now for a trial lesson.